Say hello to Lexia English, an adaptive blended learning program for English language development for grades K through 6, offering a curriculum aligned with rigorous language proficiency standards. Here's how it works. When students log in, they're greeted by 17 ethnically and culturally diverse characters who engage them every step of the way and celebrate their successes. Students undergo a brief one-time placement test and are positioned at the appropriate language proficiency band. Each of the program's levels features 4 characters representing different subject areas. The program creates a growth mindset environment and provides students with choice as they select which character to start with. Each lesson uses purposeful repetition for speaking and listening practice.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Say it with me.
What else can you tell me about a harbor?
A harbor is a place where travelers arrive.
She reads books and she uses the computer. Say it with me. 3, 2, 1.
She reads books
and she uses the computer.
Students benefit from an environment that respects heritage language, as many of the characters speak with an accent. After practicing, students engage in game-like exercises, followed by a presentation of knowledge activity. When they answer incorrectly, the embedded speech recognition technology offers guided feedback and scaffolded instruction on the targeted grammar skill.
It is a pencil. Say each part of the sentence after me. It is a pencil.
A pencil.
The program's patented assessment without testing technology allows for continuous progress monitoring. Through the Lexia Educator platform, educators and administrators can view progress at the student, class, grade, school, and district levels. Under the Class Table tab, principals and superintendents can see how each class is performing, while educators can find additional resources to help personalize instruction. For a more detailed progress report, educators simply click on a student's name. This information can be used to help educators make data-informed instructional decisions. The Class Usage tab reveals how much time was spent on the program per week or by year, while the Practice Groups tab shows which students could benefit from additional instruction. For administrators, school and district overview reports provide a current snapshot of student and staff usage and the opportunity to access more details. Blending online and teacher-led lessons, Lexia English helps educators target instruction to meet individual student needs, empowering emergent bilinguals to thrive and ensuring better outcomes for all.